What's going on, guys? Welcome to this new video that is the Friday fabric finds of the week of June 14th, 2024. My name is Mason. I'm the inventory specialist here.
My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product editor.
And this is the series where we go through the Friday newsletter with y'all and show y'all the fabric for this week. Without further ado, let's get into it.
All right, everyone. This week for the Friday bundle, we have Talavera Tiles. This is a 7-piece fat quarter bundle priced at $26.96. This bundle includes things such as tiles, grass cloth, cottons, gingham checks and plaids, dots, and bedrock in colors of reds and creams. So don't miss out on this beautiful red and cream Friday bundle.
The first collection we have for y'all this week is from Northcott, Beary Merry Christmas. So a nice festive collection for y'all. So we have the full yardage of the collection. We have 24-inch panels, and we have the Bear Tracks Quilt Kits. It is patterns of bears, forests, hats, cardinals, pine cones, snowflakes, checks, and wood in colors of red, green, white, and black. So make sure you go check out and get your paws on this holiday collection of Beary Merry Christmas from Northcott.
Oh, I saw what you did there. You said pause, yeah. Next for you guys, we have Frosty Frolic from Wilmington prints. This collection features the full collection yardage, 24-inch panels, 5-inch squares, 10-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, and 2 quilt kits. Ooh. We have the Frosty Frolic quilt kits, and then we have the basic panel number 4 quilt kit. This group features patterns such as snowmen, holly, birds, and snowflakes in colors of blue, gray, green, and red. This collection is so much fun. Make sure you go check it out.
We have another festive collection for y'all. It is from Riley Blake called Designer Flannel. So it's some flannels for y'all. We have just the full collection of yardage, but there's patterns of Santa heads. There's cookies, treats, snow dots, and checks in colors of red, pine, cream, and charcoal. So make sure to get cozy with these adorable holiday flannels from Riley Blake of Designer Flannel.
Next for you guys, we have Mystic Vineyard Batiks from Wilmington prints. This is a gorgeous batik collection featuring yardage, 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, and another 2 quilt kits. We have the Morse code quilt kits as well as Mystic Vineyard quilt kits. This group features patterns such as paisleys, ferns. We have plumeria blossoms, banana leaves, spiral vines, and sticks in colors such as green, purple, and black. So be sure to check out this mystical batik group from Wilmington prints called Mystic Vineyard Batiks.
Next, as we always do on every week of this, we have a kit for sale for y'all, which is the Slide Quilt Kit, which is featuring Blue Meadow from Clothworks. The normal price of it is $61.96, but it's going to be on sale for $39.96. So very, very big discount on that. So make sure you go check out and get your hands on the Slide Quilt Kit.
Next, we have the 2024 Halloween Quilt-Along Kit called the As the Crow Flies. This is a 5-week quilt-along. It's starting June 24th. Kits are going to be $79.96. If you've never done a mystery quilt-along with us, basically what we do is every week we release a new block of the pattern, and then you get to sew along with us, and then at the end of the 5 weeks, we reveal the final quilt. Something new we're doing, patterns will only be emailed to those who purchase a kit. However, we do have the patterns on sale for $10.96. And if you do purchase this pattern, then the blocks will be emailed each week with you, just in case you want to use your own fabrics. With that being said, make sure you join our Facebook group, the Fort Worth Fabric Sewing Room. We have YouTube tutorials that are going to be available every week. We have Stephanie Stitches, Kathy's Cute Kreations. So make sure you go check out our 2024 Halloween Quilt-Along Mystery Kit.
So next we have another collection for y'all. It's actually another flannel collection. It's from Riley Blake, which is the Northern Lights flannel, which has full collection of yardage, 5-inch stackers, fat quarter bundles, 36-inch panels, and the Northern Lights panel quilt kit. There's patterns of polar bears, penguins, reindeers, waves of light, snowflakes, and polar nights. There's also colors of glacier, ocean, turquoise, sky, red, steel, and cloud. So a whole lot going on in there. So make sure you go get cozy with these adorable Arctic flannels from Northern Lights flannels from Riley Blake.
Next, we have a Halloween collection for you guys called Beggar's Night from Riley Blake. This group features the full collection yardage, 36-inch panels, fat quarter bundles, 5-inch stackers, 10-inch stackers, 2.5-inch roly-polies, and the Calico Cats and Jacks Table Runner Kits. This group features patterns such as skeletons, ghosts, cats, monsters, spider webs, eyeballs, pumpkins, fangs, and stars in colors of orange, purple, black, and gold. So make sure to capture the spirit of Halloween with this spooky group.
So another thing we want y'all to check out is our June bargains page on our website, which is a bargains page that we add items to on the daily at a discounted price. Like I said, they're always updating it daily to see what else they could add to it. I mean, there's yardage, there's remnants, there's pre-cuts, there's kits, all types of different things. So just make sure you go check out our June bargains to maybe see what you can get on sale.
Last segment we have for you guys is the comment of the week.
Ooh.
This is where we pull a comment every week to read on the show. We pull from sites such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. This week we have a comment from Stephanie Stitches on YouTube. She actually does the mystery kit tutorials that we mentioned earlier. She says, looking forward to sewing as the crow flies. Fun video, guys. First off, thank you so much, Stephanie, for the kind words about the video, and we're very excited to see you sew along with As the Crow Flies, and make sure you guys check out Stephanie's YouTube tutorial videos as well as the other two. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Friday Fabric Finds. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when we upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment. Who knows, you might be featured on our show for the segment Comment of the Week. So once again, make sure to leave a comment. And with that being said, we will see you guys next week for another episode. Bye.
See ya.